Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to make your iPhone flash when you receive a text or a call. First of all, open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Accessibility. You just need to tap on Audio Visual. Scroll down again, and in the bottom, you'll find LED Flash for Alerts. Tap on that. Now you'll need to turn on this option, LED Flash for Alerts. You can also choose to have the LED flash for flash in silent mode and flash while unlocked. Once you have made your selections, exit the Settings app. And now, when you receive a text or a call, your iPhone's camera flash will blink repeatedly to alert you. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can make your iPhone flash when you receive a text or call. Thanks for watching.